undoubtedly grounds for believing that not only were there perversions of the course of justice, but indeed perjury.
Vital evidence being withheld, knowingly withheld. So many people will find that shocking, Lord Saville.
Well, if that is the case, it is indeed extremely shocking. I can say at once that I agree with everything that Nick has said. I'm very disappointed that the criminal justice system has failed to react in any serious way to what were very clear judgments of the Court of Appeal and others. And I'm hoping that as a result of the present publicity, something will be done without further delay.
Do these look to you like appropriate examples of cases of perverting the course of justice?
Well, on the material that has been put forward in your programme, there are undoubtedly grounds for believing that not only were there perversions of the course of justice, but indeed perjury.
Well, as I say, those are very, very serious charges. Perverting the course of justice, perjury. Now, ordinarily, we're not looking at individual cases here, but ordinarily, Lord Saville, from your experience, these, when they lead to convictions, lead to jail sentences, don't they?
Yes, I'm not an expert on the detail of what sentences were delivered in what cases.
Yes. Well, the cases, we haven't had cases yet. The managers who may have withheld evidence have not been brought to court.
You're quite right in saying perjury is an extremely serious offence. So is perverting the course of justice, because without justice, we don't have a democracy.
Yes. I mean, looking at it as again, like Sir Nicholas, I suppose you're freer to give your own view on these matters. How important is it that action is taken for the sake of trust in institutions, for the sake of justice being seen to be done, for the sake of deterrence and retribution?
Well, very much. Yeah, I would very much agree with that. As I say, I'm disappointed that further action hasn't been taken as a result of the decisions of the courts now some years ago. And I don't understand why that hasn't taken place. On the information I have, which is exclusively from the media, something should most certainly have been done some years ago.
Yes. Well, I mean, we know, of course, the Post Office is under a huge amount of pressure. No doubt, absolutely rightly, you'll know that the former head of the Post Office has given up an honour. We know that there are serious political questions being asked as well. But the justice system, would you agree with your former colleague? The justice system needs to show it is doing its job too, and to do so promptly.
Yes, the justice system in this regard is not so much the judges as those responsible for investigating and prosecuting apparent or alleged offences. And I don't know any more than Nick knows why that hasn't taken place.
Yeah, well, we'll see when and if that is put right, when and if that happens. But it's really good to get your thoughts to Lord Saville, former Justice of the Supreme Court. Thank you.